Hey guys, subscribe to CodeBode and please press the bell icon so that you get notified every time we upload a new video. Happy learning! Hello friends, welcome to CodeBode. In this video, we will learn about relational operators. We have already covered unary, arithmetic and shift operators in the last videos. So please go and check those videos if you haven't seen already. So let's start with today's video. So we have a few relational operators in Java which are used to compare the two operands. The comparisons can be checking equal to, less than, greater than or not equal to. And if the comparison is successful, relational operators return true, otherwise false. Let's see with the help of example. So the first one is equal to. Let's take two variables to understand this. First one, number 1, which is equal to 4, and number 2, which is equal to 5. So equal to, as the name suggests, is used to compare if the two numbers are equal, and it is denoted by 2 equals to symbols. So let's see how it works. So I'm going to print it directly in the sysout statement. So sysout, let's write a statement here comparing with equal to, and then number 1 equal to number 2. So here we have 2 equals to symbol that represents the equal to operator. If we give only one symbol, it will assign the value of number 2 to number 1. So we need 2 equals to symbol. So if the value of number 1 is equal to number 2, it will return true, otherwise false. Let's run and see. So since here the values were not equal, it has written false. Now I'll just change the value of number 2 to 4 and see if it returns true. So it has written true. So similarly, other relational operators work. We'll see them also. But before that, let's change the value of number 2 to 5 again. So the next one checks if number 1 is less than the number 2. So let's print that. So comparing with less than, number 1, just the less than symbol, and number 2. So if you want to check if the first number is less than the second number, you will write the first number first, then the operator, and then the next number. Similarly, the next is greater than. So let's write that comparing greater than and the greater than symbol. Then we again have less than equal to, which is represented by less than sign and equal to sign. So it will check if the number is less than equal to. And similarly, greater than equal to. So greater than sign and the equal to sign. And the last one is not equal to check if the two numbers are not equal. So the not equal to is represented by exclamation mark and the equal to sign. So equal to was equal to two symbols, and this is exclamation mark and equal to sign. So here are all our relational operators which are used to compare the two operands. Operands can be numbers, decimals, characters, etc. So let's run and check the output for this. So here for less than, equal to and not equal to, the output is true. Since the number 1 is less than number 2. And for greater than, it is false. And for equals also it is false. So you can try with multiple numbers and check how it works. Relational operators are used a lot in the complex programs. As we develop our complex programs, we'll see that use. In the next video, we will see bitwise and logical operators. So stay tuned and subscribe to our channel. And also like and share this video. Thank you.